Okay, method number 2. It's basically the same without the muddling, and I actually mix it in a different glass with ice, so it's immediately cold, whereas the other way, it gets a little colder as you drink it, but it also, the other way also seems to blend better as you go down, I think, with your cocktail. But I'm gonna use bullet rye, which has kind of became my go-to. You can tell by the size of the bottles of bullet rye that we have that that's our pretty much go-to. So let's do that. This is the simple syrup method, which again, from Landmark Tavern, I don't remember his name. This is the method that he taught. It makes a really clean looking drink, although I'd say I've gotten better over the years of making these, and I can make a pretty clear one to begin with. But the simple syrup one comes out even clearer. What you're just gonna start with, tall glass of ice. You can make multiple drinks too, because if you're having people coming over, you could spend a lot of time in the kitchen making drinks for other people if you don't make multiple ones at the same time, right?
Right.
Right. And you never get to sit down and enjoy it. So, get your tall glass of ice. Get your bitters. We're gonna do the same thing, but over the ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, those did shoot out onto my glass a little bit. 3 peach. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange. 1, 2, 3. Simple syrup. Remember, go see how to make simple syrup. I actually did this one with cinnamon sticks and nutmeg and cloves. Rye whiskey tends to have a little bit of that flavor to it already, as opposed to a bourbon, which is kind of why I like it. Using the simple syrup with a bourbon tends to make it taste a little more like a rye almost. But anyway, you got your simple syrup, shake it up really good. Get your bar spoon, and you're gonna do 1 spoonful of that. Dump it down in there. Get your whiskey. See, she's shaking hers around right now to chill it down a little bit. Mine's gonna be as cold as hers when I'm ready to go. Remember, 2 ounces and a little what?
Captain B's love.
Captain B's love. I can't see down in there, so I might be making them stronger than I normally do. And we're gonna stir that up. Gonna put my cherry on in my whiskey glass with my big ice cube, not sugar cube, and a little bit of the juice too. I like a little of the juice. Like I said, the simple syrup in my video, I talk about making a simple syrup with Luxardo cherries also. Put your strainer on, pour over the top. Get your orange, get you a little bit of peel, press some of the oils out of it, go ahead and give it a rub around the edge, like so, and then you garnish, stir it up, and now I get to join my wife in a cocktail. Simple syrup's really in my way. Oh, she's looking at hers. See, that's the problem.
Feel empty here.
If we would have done this method all together in the same glass, we'd be finishing at the same time. We're always trying to finish at the same time, right? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Some of us just drink a little faster. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Stick around. I gotta get to method number 3. I gotta get this one done, then I'll make us both one with method number 3.